Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna unbox this cold air intake for the GT, the AMG GT. I haven't done an unboxing video, whatever, so I said let's just give it a try. I got it about a week ago from China or Hong Kong, something like that. It took about a month maybe since I ordered it, so yeah, let's see what we got here. So I guess we're gonna start right here, and I've seen a few videos already on YouTube, guys running this setup. So sounds pretty okay, like so let's see, got a bunch of extra stuff here. I don't know, what is this box right here? The filters. Yep. Yes, they are. Not too bad. So that's one filter. This is the second one right here. Cushion. Looks like this is the hardware. I just don't want to open it. I don't want to lose anything. I'm not gonna do the installing. I'll let the pros do that for me. Also, I don't have the tools, the right tools, I guess, to do it. Not sure what it is. Just, oh, this is probably. This is one big box. Let's open it. Oh, I guess it's two boxes. And I guess the intake's filter's gonna go right here. All right. This, I don't know what it is. Ooh la la. There you go. These are carbon fiber. Not too bad. Super light. Yeah, super light. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna call my boys, see if they have time to do the installation this week or next week, whatever. But yeah, should not be like difficult to do it. A couple of hours, and yeah, we been wanting these suckers for a while now, so I was just gonna do the filter by themselves, just a little upgrade on the filters, but I love the way this sounds. You can hear the air sucking the air out. So I'm gonna make another video once they're installed. So yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, thanks.